guys, happy new year. Welcome back. This is Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. I make videos on the things that I love: handbag, fashion, and beauty. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I would love for you to click the subscribe button. Who's calling me? We call them back. 2023. I usually start off the year with doing a video on my wish list, things I would love to buy in the new year. But this year I decided to do something a little bit different. I went in my closet today and I looked at all my items and I just went over, okay, did I wear this in 2022? Why didn't I wear this in 2022? And I started to look at my collection as a whole and pull out things that I might consider parting ways with in 2023 before I decide to purchase anything new. So that's what this video will be about. It's only 4 items and they all are luxury items. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. The first item I wanted to discuss is actually in a Gucci box. It's not a Gucci item. You will understand why it's in this box once I open it. It is a card holder. And it's the reverse monogram LV card holder. I purchased this for myself a few years ago for my birthday. And a few months after I purchased this, I received the Gucci Marmont card holder in almost the same color as this. And I've been wearing it ever since. So when I received my Gucci Marmont card holder, I put this card holder in this dust bag and it's just been sitting in my closet. So this is something that I think I might part ways with in 2023, and I'm currently interested in the YSL card holder. I spoke about that in 2022 a few times in a few videos, so this might be on the shopping block in 2023 before I purchase anything else. So that's item number 1. Item number 2. I know I'm definitely going to part ways with this in 2023 because I have already posted this to my Pochette page. It is my Gucci wallet on chain. I had this for a few years now. I will link it down below. It still is in, I think, excellent condition. I always store my bags. I keep the dust bag. So for me, I just want something new. And the item that I'm currently looking at is similar to this handbag, which I don't think I need both. So for me, this will probably most likely be leaving my collection this year to help offset the cost of something else that I'm currently interested in. So if you're interested in this, the link is down below to my Pochette page, accepting all reasonable offers. And this is item number 2. Item number 3 would be my YSL camera bag. I purchased this for my birthday back in May, and I don't think I have worn this handbag 5 times. It's a beautiful handbag. Nothing wrong with the quality. The quality is absolutely amazing. I just think I'm in love with the YSL Lulu bag and not so much the camera bag. But the Lulu bag does not come in the crop. So that's why I think I went for the camera bag over the YSL Lulu bag. So if I don't wear this month or next month, this definitely might be on the chopping block for 2023. So we shall see what happens. But it's a beautiful handbag. This is a beautiful, beautiful handbag. I'm not going to take that away from YSL The handbag is absolutely amazing. I just think, for me, I should have purchased the YSL Lulu handbag instead of the camera bag. The next item I wanted to discuss, last but certainly not least, it's only 4 items, would be this NEVERFULL. My crafty NEVERFULL I purchased maybe 2 years ago, and it's been sitting in my closet ever since. This came with the pouch. I sold the pouch to Fashion Foul. I also purchased this in the toiletry pouch 26. I also sold that on my own to someone else. And this is the last piece I currently have from this crafty line. And it is a beautiful bag. I love the detailing. I love the colors. But for me, it's just not working. So, again, I will reevaluate this purchase and reevaluate this handbag and really sit and think, is this something I want to keep in my collection in 2023? And if I don't, part ways with it and buy myself something that I know I will use. So these are just 4 things that I currently have in my collection that I'm currently going over before I choose to buy anything for 2023. This is what I have right now. Before I create a wish list for 2023, I wanted to go over and look at the items I already own in my collection. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Thank you for stopping by. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye. Bye.